Hello students, I am again before you to start the second part of our topic transformation of sentence. So without delay, we start. The last video we see degree use of degree, positive, comparative and superlative, interchange of exclamation, affirmative and affirmative negative changes. Interchanges of, now from here we start, interchange of affirmative and negative sentences. Example, affirmative, I was doubtful whether it was you. Negative, I was not sure that it was you. Example 2, affirmative, everybody was present. Negative, nobody was present. Nobody is present. Nobody is absent. Example 3, affirmative, all cheered. Negative, there was no one present who did not cheer. In this way, the negative sentence can be changed into affirmative sentence as above. Means to say, we have to use some opposite words as good, bad, nobody, everybody, present, absent, as you see here. Some more examples are here. Interchange of affirmative and negative sentence. See, express the meaning of the following sentence in a negative form. He failed to notice me when he came in. So he did not notice me when he came in. Everybody will admit that he did his best. So nobody will deny that he did his best. Only a millionaire can afford such luxuries. None but a millionaire can afford such luxuries. Every man makes mistakes sometimes. There is no man who does not make mistakes sometimes. I care very little what he says about me. I do not care what he says about me. These are some more examples. You will see that here are using also some opposite words while changing from affirmative to negative sentence. Conversion of simple sentence to compound sentence. If we change the sentence from simple to compound sentence, that's what how we use. Simple, he must work very hard to make up for the lost time. Compound way, he must work very hard. We should place here hard and make up for the lost time. Simple, in spite of his hard work, he did not succeed. He worked hard yet did not succeed. We use here conjunctions. Rewrite the following simple sentence as compound ones. Little J sat in a corner eating his Christmas cake. So little J sat in a corner and ate his Christmas cake. He must resign on pain of public dismissal. He must resign or he will be publicly dismissed. Owing to drought, the crop is short. There is drought and so the crop is short. The man had not completed their work by sunset. The sunset and yet the man had not completed their work. We see here that conjunctions are used to convert the sentence from simple to compound sentence. In spite of several efforts, he failed. He made several efforts but failed. Conversion of simple sentence to complex. Simple, he confessed his crime. Complex, he confessed that he was guilty. Simple, only Pakistan are admitted here. Complex, if you are not Pakistani, you cannot be admitted here. Simple, the management is thoroughly bad. Complex, the management is as bad as it could be. Some more example here before you. The prince was to found in the hottest battle. The prince was to be found where the battle was hottest. I rejoice at his good fortune. I rejoice that he has a good fortune. Considering the difficulties of his position, he has acted admirably. If we consider the difficulties of his position, he has acted admirably. Allowing him alone, the rest of us waited outside. He alone entered while the rest of us waited outside. Not feeling well, he decided to lie down. As he was not feeling well, he decided to lie down. Transformation of sentences. The nature of sentence can be changed without changing the meaning of the sentence. Sentence containing the adverb to. Example: my friend is too rich to be helped. You can see how the transformation of sentence containing the adverb to takes place without changing the meaning of a sentence. So my friend is so rich that he cannot be helped. First two, we place so in place of TWO2. Second two, we place he or she cannot, could not, it cannot, according to the subject of the first clause. According to my friend, we place here he. If here is female, we place here she. If any neutral gender here, we place here it. If it is in past, then we place here could. For example, the news is too good to be true. So you can see how the transformation of sentence takes place into the following version without changing the meaning of the sentence. The news is so good that it cannot be true. More example here before you. He is too proud to beg. He is so proud that he will not beg. It is never too late to mend. It is not so late that it cannot be mended. He is too ignorant for the post of a postman. So he is so ignorant that he is not suitable for the post of a postman. This shirt is too small for me. This shirt is so small for me that it is not suitable for me. He speaks too fast to be understood. So he speaks so fast that he cannot be understood. Hope you have understood this video. Thanks for listening. If you have any question, then you may ask in the comment section. Thank you so much. Have a good day.